Now we will discuss exercise 4.3 question number 8. In countries like USA and Canada, temperature is measured in Fahrenheit, whereas in countries like India, it is measured in Celsius. Here is a linear equation that convert Fahrenheit to Celsius. Here F is equal to 9 by 5 into C plus 32. This is the equation. With the help of equation, we convert Fahrenheit to Celsius, here Celsius to Fahrenheit. First one question, draw the graph of the linear equation above using Celsius for x-axis and Fahrenheit for y-axis. And second one equation, if the temperature 30 degrees Celsius, what is the temperature in Fahrenheit? Third one question, if the temperature 95 Fahrenheit, what is the temperature in Celsius? Fourth one question, if the temperature is 0 degrees Celsius, then what is the temperature in Fahrenheit? And if the temperature 0 degree Fahrenheit, what is the temperature in Celsius? And if there is temperature which is numerically the same in both Fahrenheit and Celsius, if yes, find it. These 5 questions are given. For first, here already given the equation. First we have to draw the graph. To draw the graph, we have to find minimum 2 solution, 3 solution. After that, we draw the graph. We have F is equal to 9 by 5 into C plus 32. This one already given in given. And here, if we put C is equal to 0, then F is equal to what? 9 by 5 into 0 plus 32. Then 0 into 9 by 5 means 0. 0 plus 32 is equal to 32. And when C is equal to minus 15, then F will be 9 by 5 into minus 15 plus 32. If we cancel by 15, then minus 3. Minus 3 into 9 is equal to minus 27 plus 32. Therefore, minus 27 plus 32 means 32 minus 27 is equal to 5. That means if C is equal to minus 15, then F will be 5. And when C is equal to minus 10, then F will be 9 by 5 into minus 10. And 5 if we cancel, then 2. Minus 2 into 9 minus 18 plus 32. Then this one will be plus 14. 32 minus 18 is equal to 14. And if we plot this one, if we make the table, then table will be X we take as a Celsius and F we take as a Y we take as a F. And if here 0, then 32, X C 0, Celsius 0, Fahrenheit 32. And Celsius minus 15, then Fahrenheit is equal to 5. And Celsius minus 10, then Fahrenheit is equal to plus 14. Therefore, C and F, if this coordinate, we take 0, 32, minus 15, 5, and minus 10, 14. First, we have to plot this one on the graph paper. After that, we solve the other questions. First, we plot the point. First one coordinate 0, 32. 0, this one 0 because Celsius we take as X and Fahrenheit we take as Y. This one 0 and this one 32. Here 1 small square is equal to 1 unit. That's why we plot like this way. Okay. Now here 0, 32. This one coordinate. Next one minus 15, 5. This one 10 and this minus 15. This point is minus 15 and 5 minus 15, then 5. This point will be minus 15, 5 because 10, 5, then minus 15. Minus 15 and Y 5. Therefore, this point coordinate will be minus 15, 5. Next, minus 10, 14. This one minus 10 and 14, 10, 1, 2, 3, 4. This point will be what? Minus 10, 4. Now we plot these 3 coordinate 0, 32, minus 15, 5, minus 10, 14. After that, we join the point with the help of scale and then we will get the graph, this one graph. Okay. Now from this graph we find the question. First one question here given in 30 Celsius in temperature 30 degrees Celsius, what is the temperature of Fahrenheit? And this one 30 degrees Celsius. 30 degrees Celsius, we find the Fahrenheit. How many Fahrenheit? This one, 80, 85, 86. This one point. That means in 30 degrees Celsius, how many degree Fahrenheit? 86 degree Fahrenheit. And second one question here given in temperature 95 degree Fahrenheit, what is the temperature in Celsius? In temperature 95 degree Fahrenheit, 90, this one 90, this one 95, because y-axis Fahrenheit, 95 degree Fahrenheit, this one point, if we draw perpendicular on x-axis, then this one will be 35. That means 35 degree Celsius. From graph we find this one 95 degree Celsius, here 95 degree Fahrenheit, here 35 degree Celsius, because this point coordinate is equal to how much? 35 degree, 35 and 95. Similarly, this point coordinate will be how much? 30 degree, 30 and 86 degree Fahrenheit. Similarly, question number 4, if temperature is 0 degree Celsius and Fahrenheit 0 degree Fahrenheit, if the temperature 0 degree Fahrenheit, what is the temperature in Celsius? And if 0 degree Celsius, what is the temperature in Fahrenheit? Now from the here, if 0 degree Celsius, then Fahrenheit how many? 32. And 0 degree Fahrenheit, if 0 degree Fahrenheit, 0 Fahrenheit, then how many degree? This one 70, this one 0 degree minus 17, that means if we 0 degree Fahrenheit means this one 0 degree Fahrenheit, in 0 degree Fahrenheit, this point, this graph x-axis intersect this point, that means this one 0 degree Celsius, 32 degree Fahrenheit, and if 0 degree Fahrenheit means on y-axis 0, then x will be how much? Minus 17.8 degree. This one minus 17.8 degree. And this one sum numerically also we can solve. And last one, is there temperature which is numerically the same both Fahrenheit and Celsius? That means numerically both Fahrenheit and Celsius in which degree we have to find. Now here in this minus 40 degree and minus 40 degree, here this one Celsius, this one Fahrenheit, that means minus 40 degree Celsius is equal to 40 degree minus 40 degree Fahrenheit. Okay, graphically we can solve this one sum, and numerically also we can solve this one sum. Suppose second one, from the graph we get 86 degree Fahrenheit corresponds to 30 degree Celsius. That means if 30 degree Celsius is equal to 30 degree, then Fahrenheit will be, in place of C we put 30 degree, then we cancel, then 6 will get, that means 9 6 are 54, 54 plus 32 is equal to 86 degree Fahrenheit. Then graphically also 86 degree Fahrenheit, and if we verify with the help of calculation, then we will get 30 degree Celsius is equal to 86 degree Fahrenheit. Next, if Fahrenheit is equal to 95 degree, then Celsius will be what? In place of F we put 95, 9 by 5 into C plus 32 degree, 32, Now 32, if we bring, then 95 minus 32 is equal to 9 by 5 into C. And if we bring this one, then with the help of cross multiplication, 9 by 5 will be 5 by 9, and we cancel by 9, then 7 5 is 35. C is equal to 35, means if 95 degrees Celsius, 95 degree Fahrenheit is equal to 35 degree Celsius. And from the graph, we have this one, 0 degree Celsius is equal to 32 degree Fahrenheit, and 0 degree Fahrenheit is equal to minus 17.8 degree Celsius. And numerically also we can solve this one. If Celsius is equal to 0 degree, then if we put in place of C 0, then it will be 0, that means F is equal to 32 degree. And if Fahrenheit is equal to 0, in place of F if we put 0, then this one 9 by 5 into C plus 32, and this 32 if we bring this side, then minus 32 equal to 9 by 5 into C, and this one will be minus 32 into 5 by 9 minus equal to C. And if we simplify, then we will get C is equal to minus 17.5. That's why, if that means 0 degree Fahrenheit is equal to minus 17.5 degree Celsius. And here, if 0 degree Fahrenheit, this one, and 0 degree Celsius is equal to this one. Next one question given here, numerically, is there temperature which numerically the same in both Fahrenheit and Celsius? If yes, find it. And graphically also we have already find this one, minus 40 degree Fahrenheit is equal to minus 40 degree Celsius. This one, let F equal to C equal to X numerically. Then X is equal to 9 by 5 into X plus 32. In place of F and C, we put the value of F, we put the X. Now X minus this one, bring this side, then 9 by 5 minus 9 by 5, X is equal to 32. If we simplify, then 5x minus 9x by 5 is equal to 32. Now if we cross multiply this one, and 5x minus 9x is equal to minus 4x, and 32 into 5 is equal to 160. Now x is equal to 160 divided by minus 4 is equal to x is equal to minus 40. This way, x is equal to minus 40 means what? Numerically, minus 40 degree Fahrenheit is equal to minus 40 degree Celsius. This way, we can solve the question number 8. I hope all of you understand. Thank you.